Yo, what's up guys, it's Pyos here, the Crypto Pie, and today in Crypto Trading Basics we're going to be talking about momentum indicators, right? And today specifically we will be talking about the stock RSI. You always see it in my screen when I'm on TradingView, and it's this one, the first one on the bottom, right? The second one's RSI is also a momentum indicator, but today we're going to specifically talk about the stock RSI. So very easy. You see my whole watch list here, right? So basically when I look at a coin, all I do at first is make this big, alright? And that's it. And then I go on a big time frame, like a 1 week, okay? That tells me that in the week, alright, that this is an upwards momentum. So in the bigger picture, this is an upwards trend going on Ripple right now. We're looking at Ripple. Then we go a bit further in at 3 days, you see it's upwards momentum, but it's already pretty high. It's getting close to the overbought area here. If we look at the 1 day, it's upwards momentum that was all the way up here, and now it's downwards, alright? The blue went over the orange. The orange is basically the slower moving average, and the blue is the faster moving average, alright? So if the faster one goes over the slower one to the downside, that means we can expect a dip, a downside, alright? So let's see how true this is, because you can see it went down here as well. So let's see what happened here, right? So we had this here, and it's often it's lagging if you actually wait until, and what I mean with lagging is that you're too late already if you actually wait for the cross. Sometimes you're too late, not always. But so when you see it up here and you see it like bending, like this, like it goes up and then bends a little bit. So yeah, you can see it bends a little bit, right? Before, and then it goes down. That's like a early sign that we most likely see some more downside. So let's just take a look at the tops here, okay? So for example, we had a top here, it went to the downside. What happened? The price went to the downside, all right? Well, here it went back up, it went to the downside, back up, went to the downside, right? And then finally it went all the way down here. Yeah, let's zoom in once more. It went all the way down there, right? And then it went up. So when it was down there, you could have bought in. Now I'm never telling you to do that solely based on stock RSI. This only tells you the momentum. But as you can see right now, the daily momentum for Ripple is down. Alright, that means it can go down. Where will it most likely go? Well, you will need to use other tools such as Fibonacci retracements that we already went over in the previous video. If you didn't watch that, I highly suggest you do. I highly suggest you watch all the Crypto Trading Basics videos before you watch this one, and you will understand that one as well. So yeah, basically for the downside, I believe we can actually get back here. Okay, so about the 278 or something. And another thing is it hit the cloud, okay, and then it went down. So this works on all the charts. Like I said, you can just look like this, right? And we're on the 1 day right now. So let's just go through a few. Let's look at ADA. ADA is up. Momentum is up. Okay, so it's still to the upside. Even though right now you can see it's bending a little bit, right? Especially here you can see it because we're not that zoomed in. It went up and now it's bending a little bit. But you don't know if it will actually bend and go down. Now, if you have been trading before, you know often double bottoms hit before you actually get a breakout. Now this is one bottom, so maybe another one could occur, okay? Because we also had, like, this was a smaller time frame, right? A double bottom 2 times and then up. But we'll do another video for double bottoms, guys. For now, we're just talking about the stock RSI momentum. So yeah, ADA is looking okay. Like, let's just look at it like this, right? Yeah, it's looking okay. So let's take a look at ADX. It's also wants to go to the downside, and then we look at the chart and we can see it's still in a downtrend. So yes, there's most likely more downside coming. back to the stock RSI, and we go look at ARK. ARK is going down, it's crossing down. So if we look at the price, it will most likely go further down, yes. So you can go over any chart you want, right? So let's take Bitcoin here. Now you see something on Bitcoin. This is interesting, right? It's on the down and it's crossing up. Does that mean we get another run on Bitcoin? Yes, guys, it does mean it. Also, every single indicator is suggesting another run up, okay? Because we have a bullish flag that broke upwards. We have Elliott wave that is not finished yet, but I'll do another update on a Bitcoin video. I might do it. I am not sure. I could do it. If you guys want me to do an update on Bitcoin, I will do it. But I definitely see this to the upside to at least between $23,000 and $25,000 before we see a major correction back to about 11 to 12k. All right, and you can hold me to that. This is the longer term trend, and at some point we need to get back to it. If we zoom out, you can see it's like a big cup that's forming, right? This is gonna be a cup, and we're gonna get a handle. At some point we will get a handle and then a major increase in price. That is how I see Bitcoin. But at some point, so we need to get back to this line eventually, but not for now, guys. You can see the momentum is with us. Right, if we look at the 3-day, the 3-day is crossing down though, so this is conflicting signals, right? 3-day going down, well, the 1-day wants to go up. So in the shorter term, 1 day could be for a few days, we go up, and then the 3-day is already saying down. So perhaps in because every candle is 3 days on this one, right? So it could take a while before we actually go down. Whereas the 1 day is up, 1 week is still up. It's bending a little bit, but it's definitely to the upside. It's looking very good for Bitcoin, guys. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. All right, technical analysis is 80% of trading. All right, 80% of trading is technical analysis. The rest, I mean, what is it? 10% fundamental, 10% sentimental. You know, the sentiment is getting to you guys. When they FUD, like for example, they say China bans Bitcoin. They used to say that, boom, it would fall. Okay, that's sentiment. All the smart traders will buy up your coins close to the trend line, close to Fibonacci levels, etc. That's why I do these crypto trading basic videos, so you guys learn from it. Alright, so yeah, let's just look at the 1 day, and it's looking very good for Bitcoin. I hope you guys learn, from these kind of videos. If you do, then tell me about it. And if you want to see more or more in depth, or have questions, just comment it below and I'll help you out. Definitely help you out. I don't want people to, I hate it. I hate to say it, guys, but fundamentals to me, nah. Sentiment, nah. Technicals, hell yeah. Alright. Fundamentals are cool, but what fundamentals does Bitcoin have, right? Bitcoin's just the store of value. It's and we can trade it, we can buy stuff with it. That's the fundamentals there is, guys. Alright? When they FUD it with sentiment and stuff, get out of here. Alright? Get out of here. To me, it's about technicals. And I can see Bitcoin going to 23 to 25k. Keep me to that. If I'm wrong, whatever. And at some point we need to get back to this line. Okay, so I'm saying 11 to 12k because that would correspond with the cloud. However, don't count me on that, okay? If we would fall right now, like we get a pump and then a dump, we can get all the way back to 8. But this line, guys, is key, right? This line is key. I need to drag it further at some point, but this line is key. So you can see it gets close to the cloud over here, right? Which is this, the 30th of January. It could definitely last till then, guys. We'll have to see ourselves, but everyone thought with futures we were gonna dump. Nothing like that happened, right? Nothing like that happened. Okay, so you know, take it as it is, and I hope you guys learned something from this stock RSI. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.